Hello everyone, my name is Milan. I'm doing the course name is Excel Skills for Business Intermediate 2. Today I'm going to show you the final assessment of week 1. So let's go for it. Firstly, we have to download this Excel sheet. So let me download this in my desktop. Okay, it's downloaded. I open this. Okay, then go for the requirements. Uh, Firstly, set the attached spreadsheet information regarding the company's 60 jobs in 3 states. Okay, then have a look at the jobs data worksheet. Find the cells that contains data validation to answer the first question. Okay, they said which columns contains data validation. Okay, we don't know the which columns are in data validation. Okay, here we don't know the where the data validation is. So if we should find the column number, let's see. Firstly, Control A, go for the find data validation. Okay, you see in J column is data validation. So the answer will be is J. Okay. Then the second one is one of the cell in that columns contains invalid data. Use the data validation tools to search for any invalid data and collect it. So okay, so here we have to find out the invalid data. Okay. So how do we find it? Go for data validation. Okay, then find the circle invalid data. Here you see this one is the invalid data is J14. Okay, this is my invalid data. So this answer is J14. Then the next one said find the cell where data validation has been applied unnecessarily and remove the data validation from the cell. Which cell contains unwanted data validation? I think you got this question. Here this said they have applied validation unnecessarily. We have to find the cell of unnecessary data validation. So we see Control A. We have to find. Okay, to find what data validation. Okay, you see this one is see or in other way you can see find and select, then go to special, where is data validation. Okay, then also you can see this one. Okay, now this is unnecessary, we have to remove this. So how to remove this? Data, to click data validation, clear all. Okay, remember you need to click here to remove the validation. Okay, yeah, it's gone. So the answer should J3. Then the next one said this one 4 and 5 is very important, guys. You should have concentrated on this. Apply a drop down list to cell M6. Okay, and create a formula in cell O6 to calculate the number of jobs in the selected state. Okay, firstly they said apply a drop down list to cell M6. We see M6 In M6 we have to create drop down list, and in O6 we have to give the formulas. Okay, so let's see how to work. Firstly, we select this state column. How to select this state column? Control shift down arrow. Okay, we select this. We have to copy this column, then go for new sheets. We have to look up first. Look up. Okay, copy this one and paste this new sheet. Control B. Okay, we don't do the same this sheet because this column has already data validated. That's why we choose a new sheet. Okay, that's why we choose this sheet. So now we go for data, then remove duplicates. Okay, okay, it's removes. Then okay, I change these names states. Okay, then go for formulas, create from selection. Okay, you can see the name manager. This one is states is my, they create this. Okay, then we go to previous sheet. Go M6 data validation list, and here we states. Okay, you see, so drop down is done. Now we go for the O6. Here we have to put formulas. The formula is countifs. Okay, countifs. So, okay, we have to this one add here. Okay, countifs state comma this M6. Press enter. You see in the question they said find the number of jobs in VIC. Okay, so we go for VIC is 24. The answer should 24. Okay, it's done, and we'll go for the next one. Here said apply a drop down list to cell M10 either from scratch or by copying the validation from M6. You got it. You have to copy the validation from M6. M6 is where? M6 is this one. Okay, they said create a formula in cell O10 to calculate the total profit from the jobs in the selected sites. Okay, we do single by single. Firstly, we have to copy M6 to M10. Okay, they said M10. Okay, to M10 we to copy here. Right click, go for paste special, then validation. Okay, okay, you see this one is done. Now we have to do here, they said create a formula in cell O10 to calculate the total profit from the jobs in the selected. Total profit from the jobs in the selected. Here we have to create a new cell which name is profit. Okay, so our total profit is equal price of the customer minus project cost. Okay, hit enter and double click. You see the profit list here. Then select the profit list and clear from the names. Okay, you can also see name manager, that your profit list is added. Now we have to go this one, because they said create a formula in O10 to calculate the total profit. Okay, now we find the total profit. So equal, how to find is sum ifs. You see profit here, profit comma state. Okay, state comma from which M10. Okay, close the, okay, press enter. Okay, you see the profit is here, and they said instead of NSW. Okay, so we have to give NSW. Where is the NSW's profit? And there is attention, put in the number only, no separate or currency sign. Okay, so we have to put only numbers, no dollar sign and no comma. Okay, so here we should give 248,490.00. Okay, this one is the answer. Then go for the next one. Apply a drop down list to cell N14. There is a number, and apply conditional formatting. Okay, and this one is conditional formatting to the number of people column to find out the number of jobs. Find out the number of jobs with more than the number of people in the cell N14. Okay, you have to understand these questions so that you can find solution easily. Okay, how many jobs have more than 8 people? Okay, so firstly we have to go N14 here, then go for data validation. They said what numbers in apply conditional formatting. Okay, so we have to list here, we have to decimal here first. So minimum is 1, then go for whole number, maximum is 9. They said already maximum is 9. Okay, so that's why we put here 9. Press OK. And again go data validation, go for list, and it type here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. Okay, we give her because they give us the numbers, that's why we give here. And they said what, how many jobs have been more than in 8 people. Okay, we have to find 8 people, so here we go for 8 people. 8 people from where? They said number of people. Okay, formatting number of people column to find out the number of jobs. Okay, so go select the number of people, Ctrl Shift down arrow. Okay. Then we have to conditional formatting this one, so to conditional formatting, new rules is a formula, then to write here equal to what, equal to number of people. Here you should press F4. Okay, to change the dollar sign. So I write this here, then F4 is greater than what, greater than is N14, that is number of people. Okay, so N14, I change the format that you can easily understand that is changed. Yeah, so okay, you see the numbers in red are formatting. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so the answer should be 7. To find this, they said this one is 7. So go for the next one. Apply data validation to the job number column to avoid duplicate job numbers. Is there any duplicate data in this column after applying data validation? Specify the cell address separated by comma. Okay, so we have to specify the cell address, duplicate job numbers in job number column. Okay, so let's go. Job number column is where? Here you can find go for data validation, custom, count is. Okay, what we find, job number comma promote B6. Okay, is less than equal 1. Okay, so you see here this one, VL5 DC5. These two are duplicate, so this one the answer is, this one is B10 and B19. Okay, B10 and B10 and B19. Next one said add data validation to the markup percentage column to have any number between 0 to 0.5, which is the best option for the type of validation criteria. Okay, which is the best option for the type of validation criteria. So this is the markup percentage. Okay, and they give us a decimal number. Okay, so let's go and find it. Is the where is the markup percentage? Here, so to select all, then go for data validation, and we have to give this one decimal number, and minimum number they set 0.1 and maximum number is 0.5. You can see here this, they give this 0.1 to 0.5. Okay, then press OK. You see here it changes. Okay, so we give here the decimal number. Then the next one is the job start done column should be validated to have the job date after, which is the best option for the type of validation criteria. Apply the validation to this column. Okay, the you have to change the job start date. So where is the job start date? Here, to select all the column first in data validation, go for date. Okay, and they say date. What is greater than? You see the requirement they say already. Here they say greater than, less than, between. You have to test this one. Okay, so firstly I said greater than, and here give the date. I give the date here. Okay, press OK. You see it works. So this one is correct. And the last one is copy the job circle data column data validation to estimate finish date column. Which cell contains invalid if any? Okay, this is job start date. Okay, valid to estimate finish date. So firstly I should copy this one. This column is job start date. I have to copy this one. Okay, and copy. Paste special and validate. Okay, okay, then select this one, D7 data validation circle. Okay, this one is not coming, but The answer is E62. So I finished this one. I hope you would understand. You see, I have 100% on this exam. So I hope this will help you. Thank you very much.